Hello everyone, here the question is, in a rhombus ABCD, the altitude from D to the side AB bisects AB. So we are going to find angle of the rhombus, right? So first we'll draw the rhombus. So the rhombus I'm drawing over here. What is the meaning of rhombus? It's just a slanting square, right? It's a parallelogram only, but all the sides are going to be equal. So we can say all the four sides are equal, but the angle is not equal to 90 degree. That means the corners. If the angles, all the four angles are 90 degree, then we can say it's a square. Since here the angles are not actually 90 degree, we can say this is a rhombus. Yes. So first we will name the rhombus, the vertices A, B, C, D. So what they have mentioned, from D, we have to draw an altitude. What is the meaning of altitude? It is height. So always the height need to be a perpendicular line. So we are drawing perpendicular line over here. So this is going to be two side AB they are asking. So we are drawing and touching the line altitude from D to AB. And what this line is going to do, it is going to cut the AB line into two equal half. That means it is going to bisect AB. So first we will mark this point as E. Okay, yes. So we are going to find the angle of the rhombus. So what I'm doing, I just join even DB also so that we can find the congruency of the triangle. So we can take the two triangles, one as ADE and another triangle as BED, right? Yes. So in this, can we check some criteria? We are going to prove the congruency. What for we are doing that? I need to know an angle, right? For that sake, we have to know the angle of the rhombus. So first we'll prove the congruency, then we will check what is actually happening. Yeah, so DE is equal for both DE equal to DE, which is what? Common. And then angle DEA equal to angle DEB, which is equal to what? 90 degree. It is given in the question because DE is an altitude, or you can write it as DE is an altitude, you can write. And still we need one more criteria, right? So I can say AE equal to BE. Why? Because E bisects AB, or you can write DE bisects AB, right? So which criteria is this? SAS criteria. So by SAS criteria, these two triangles are congruent with each other. So what we are actually proving congruence to each other? It means, so over here at angle A and the angle at B, both are going to be equal. This is what we are saying. So before proceeding this, so what will be the value of this AD? So we'll consider all the sides of the rhombus as X. So here I'm keeping X, X, and this is also X. And what about these two, AE and EB? So AE is equal to X by 2 and EB equal to X by 2 because it is getting bisected, right? And we know that AD equal to BD also. Why AD equal to BD? Because we already proved the two triangles are congruent. So by CPCT, AD equal to BD. What for I require that? Because AD is X, then BD is also X. So if you look into the triangle ABD properly, you can get that all the three sides are equal, which is X. So it's an equilateral triangle. So can I take this as angle A as 60 degree? Because for equilateral triangle, all the angles are going to be 60, right? Yes. So angle A equal to 60. Then we are going to do what? Yes. We will take now triangle CDB. So in that we know already CD is X and BC is X, and now we have found that BD is also X. So again this is an equilateral triangle. So here the full angle is there for C. So I can say angle C equal to 60 degree. So as of now we found angle A equal to 60 and angle C equal to 60. Still we need to find, right? So I will mention over here. So when you are considering ABD as an equilateral triangle over here, that means ABD, it is 60 degree. And when we are considering DBC as a triangle over here, where at DBC, this one is 60 degree. Then what about angle ABC? That means angle B is equal to, it has been splitted into two parts. Each is having 60 degree. So 60 plus 60 equal to 120 degree. Same for angle D also. Angle D also got splitted into two parts. Both are be a part of an equilateral triangle. So if you add 60 and 60, it is going to be 120 degree. So finally our answers are angle A of a rhombus is 60 and angle B of a rhombus is 120, angle C is 60 and angle D is 120 degree. This is the solution for our question. Hope you understood. Thank you.